Adobe has just launched an exciting new AI tool within Photoshop Beta, Generative Fill. Let me show you how I'm using it in my workflow. Jumping into Photoshop, let me show you how generative AI is going to really enhance this image. So in this shot, it's a really nice skyline of London, but my feet are in the way. I'm just going to select my feet, go around, and let Generative Fill do the work. So I'm going to give it a small prompt saying remove from image, hit and generate, and just like that, Generative Fill has completely removed this from the image and really worked on the background, so it's as if they were never there. Next up, let me show you how to use Generative Fill to extend an image. I'm just going to select the part of the image that's blank and just hit Generative Fill. I don't need a prompt here, just hit generate. And just like that, Generative AI has extended the background, added in new clouds, new buildings, and it looks really, really good. Firefly is helping creators like me work more efficiently. Adobe is leveraging generative AI to provide solutions to help us all work faster and smarter.